Today we're looking at a Maytag dryer that would power on, but the drum wouldn't spin. This is a symptom that can have several different causes, so it's important not to assume which part has failed before performing a proper diagnostic inspection. In this case, the customer reported that the dryer started normally, but the drum remained completely stationary. Since the drum wasn't rotating, the appliance could no longer dry clothes as intended. Our technician began with a complete diagnostic inspection of the drive system. During the inspection, we found that the belt tensioner pulley had failed. This component helps maintain the correct tension on the drive belt, allowing the drum to rotate properly. While inspecting the dryer, we also found lint accumulation inside the cabinet. Removing accumulated lint is an important part of dryer maintenance because it helps maintain proper airflow throughout the appliance. After discussing the repair plan with the customer, we replaced the failed belt tensioner pulley and performed a mechanical cleaning to remove the lint from inside the dryer. Once the repair was completed, the dryer was fully reassembled and tested. The drum rotated normally, and the appliance was verified to be operating correctly. If your dryer turns on but the drum doesn't spin, don't assume the cause is always the same. Several different components can produce a similar symptom, which is why a professional diagnosis is the best way to determine the exact problem before any repair is recommended. At Appliance Fix Lab, every repair starts with a thorough diagnostic inspection. Once we identify the cause, we explain our findings, discuss the available repair options, and make sure the appliance is properly tested before returning it to service. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more real appliance repair cases and learn how different problems are professionally diagnosed, be sure to follow Appliance Fix Lab. Honest service, reliable work, real appliance expertise.